I thought now was a really good time to go through the words, the written words in a pattern. What I've done is I've done Aussie terms and UK terms and then the USA terms, and they're separate all the way through. And then I've put any words you need to know as instructions of where you're going, what you're doing, that are not patterns in purple to make it easier for you. So I'm just going to work through. I will be doing it in Aussie terms because that's easier for me. Sorry about that. 3 chain, 1 treble in the first chain 3 space. Then we have brackets. What we're going to do with the brackets is we're going to repeat whatever is in those brackets. It says repeat across to the last 5 chain space. Then you're going to work from there. So we're not going to worry about that first of all. Let's just do what's in the brackets and repeat it. So in the pattern in the page before, it tells you to attach yarn to the first treble. So I'm going to move those words out where I can see them, but you don't need to because you've got them in front of you. It says to attach yarn into the treble. I like to attach it with a slip stitch and then 3 chain, 2, 3. The instructions say 1 treble in the first 3 chain space. Well, that's our first 3 chain space. So 1 treble into the first 3 chain space. Then we're going to the brackets. The brackets go 3 chain, 1 treble in the next 3 chain space, 1 treble in the treble, 1 treble in the next chain 3 space. So that sounds like gobbledygook, but if we work through it step by step, it's not that hard. 3 chain, check. 1 treble in the next 3 chain space. There's our 3 chain space. 1 treble in the next 3 chain space. Check. 1 treble in the treble. Check. 1 treble in the next chain 3 space. So there's our chain 3 space. 1, 2, 3. There's a space. Once again, a big hole. 1 treble into the chain 3 space. Check. We're at the end of our brackets. Now we have to go back to the beginning of the brackets. The brackets read 3 chain, 1 treble in the next 3 chain space, 1 treble in the treble, 1 treble in the next chain 3 space. So 3 chain, 1 treble in the next chain 3 space, 1 treble in the next treble, 1 treble in the next chain 3 space. There it is. And we're at the end of the brackets. So we're going to repeat that across until we get to the last 5 chain space. And when we get there, the pattern tells us to do 3 chain, which is, so we come across over here, and then you're going to do 2 trebles in the last 2 chain space. Then we're ready for the next row.